and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi, and on this channel I do fashion and weight loss related videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely please kindly subscribe to this channel. I urge you to share, like, subscribe this video if you do enjoy any content or you find any valuable information. So without wasting any much of your time, in today's video we're going to be treating the worst mistakes for waist training, and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video.
Let's go.
The don't number one is don't wear a wrong size waist trainer. Now, sizing is everything. It's priority when it comes to getting a waist trainer, and this can either make or mar your waist training journey. So please, I know that I do sound like a broken record talking about sizing and everything, but sizing is priority when it comes to waist training. If you don't get the sizing right, this can make your waist training journey the worst. Stop wearing a waist trainer over 8 hours. The maximum number of hours that you're supposed to put on a waist trainer is 8 hours. As a matter of fact, the first day you get your waist trainer or you begin your waist training journey, you should begin for like 2 to 3 hours for the first day, walk up to it to up to 6 to 7 to 8 hours. So I believe that when you're doing 8 hours, you should have already gotten comfortable with wearing a waist trainer. So the don't number 2 would also remain: don't wear a waist trainer for over 8 hours. It's still not going to affect. It doesn't mean that when you wear it over 8 hours you're going to get better result than someone else that wears it for the maximum of 8 hours. The key to waist training is consistency, which means daily wearing your waist trainer for 8 hours every day. So meaning that if you wear your waist trainer for 10 hours today and tomorrow you skip wearing a waist trainer, you're still not going to get results. So the idea is daily, and by daily I mean consistently wearing it daily. 3, stop wearing a misfitted waist trainer or ill-fitted waist trainer. Now, especially when it comes to the torso length, especially if it's a waist trainer that kind of curls up, when the waist trainer curls up, it definitely protrudes your fupa more. I know the girls that get it. So this is why it's important that you get the correct torso length for your waist trainer. So stop wearing a misfitted waist trainer. Please kindly change your waist trainer. If you can, return, exchange to a waist trainer with a longer torso length, especially for those waist trainers that kind of curl up. When they curl up, they stop directly on your waistline, especially when you sit or you do certain activities. And when this rolls up, this does not waist train your lower belly. Therefore, it gives you like a flat upper belly, and then your lower belly protrudes out. Mistake number 4, stop wearing a waist trainer directly in contact with your skin. If you want to begin your waist training journey, you would also need to get a light tank top that you could put over your skin. This is after moisturizing your skin with any moisturizer of your choice. Make sure that you moisturize the skin that you're going to be waist training, as well as putting on a tank top before putting on your waist trainer. I hope that is clear. Please, this can avoid you from having some welts on your skin, or protect you from having injuries, especially if you're using a bone steel waist trainer that is made that has bone steels on the side. So please kindly ensure that you're not putting on the waist trainer. Stop putting on the waist trainer directly in contact with your bare skin. So make sure that you get yourself a tank top, moisturize your skin, put on the tank top, then your waist. 5, stop working out with your waist trainer. Yes, unpopular opinion, working out with your waist trainer actually does more harm than good, in the sense that the waist trainer restricts the airflow into your lungs while you're working out, and you need your airflow to ensure that you're burning the maximum amount of calories and your body is getting the oxygen that it requires. So I do not encourage working out with a waist trainer. As well as when you do certain ab or core exercises and you put on a waist trainer, you are not able to engage your core because your core is relying on the strength of the waist trainer to get it together. So you definitely do not need to work out with a waist trainer, especially when you're doing your ab workouts or you're doing exercises like planks. When you're holding and engaging, you should be engaging in your core strength, because your body is relying on the strength of the waist trainer. You are not able to engage properly. Also, when you do certain ab or crunches, the waist trainer rolls up, and it's not the appropriate thing to use while waist training. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the appropriate waist belt or waist trainer that you should be using for your workout. It definitely doesn't have to be a waist trainer, so stop using a waist trainer for your workout. And the final thing that I want to say is, please kindly love the body that you're in while you are a work in progress. That is so important. I believe that every lady is beautiful in their own way. Just make sure that you love the body that you're in while being a work in progress. If you definitely enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have come to the end of this video. Please share with your friends, like and share. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, I urge you to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.